So we changed the layout today a little bit, we can see. So अभी कुछ लोगों की फरमाइश आ रही है, they should have a dance floor. So अगर ऐसे singers आने लगे तो you can't stop, right? So I think any feedback is good feedback. So please talk to Manoj, Kripal, Rizwan, myself, because we want to create so that you can have fun. So next time I think we might put some chairs in here and maybe keep some area in the middle. How did you like the tables? Was it good? Awesome. So we'll continue that, So really want to recognize Manoj and Rizwan because they stuck with it for a year. So going back to what Manoj's dream is. Give it up for Manoj. Yeah. So Manoj's dream when he first met me was, Honey bhai, let's start here. And the eventual goal will be to move in the bigger hall where we have 20 tables. And anybody can celebrate whatever special occasion. It could be bunch of guys from the same school, bunch of guys from the same cricket club, or maybe celebrating somebody's birthday that month. And then he wanted to have that dream. So that's what we started. So today, I think from first year, we only had 10 or 12 people. And now we have, amazing singers. It's incredible. And he streams it live. And his biggest fan is my mom. So I had no idea she was watching it, and she calls me, "How come you didn't sing?" I said, well, "How do you know?" I said, "She plugs in first time." So that's a special connection. Thank you, and lot of fun.
Hello.
That's the whole idea.
मुझमें एक कमी है कि मैं हनी का आइडिया देता हूँ फिर भूल जाता हूँ जब तक वो फिर याद नहीं दिलाते.
No, really, big round of applause for Honey and Manoj. And yes, ultimately, how is this going to grow? जो हनी ने आपको बताया कि ड्रीम क्या है कि we wanna, I don't know how many of you have seen the big hall. ये इन दरवाज़ों के दूसरी तरफ है, but it's a full size hall. तकरीबन अगर आप सीटिंग लगाएं तो तकरीबन 350-400 की कैपेसिटी क्या है हनी? 400 तक तो आसानी से हो जाएगा. But a full stage, full on वो concert style का होगा if we get to that level. If we can get, a good 20 singers singing and then 100-150 बंदा अगर आ जाए, and this is a great start. We have about 45-50 people today between everybody who is coming in and out, and we want to keep this going. And the best thing the main thing that we need for that is word of mouth. If you came here tonight and you had fun, right? It's a fairly economical, right? Up बाहर जाते हैं खाना खाने, you're going to end up spending $20-25 on that, right? So you come here, you get a variety of food, खाना भी है, गाना भी है, or just a fun night. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell your loved ones, and bring back. We do it once a month. Bring more people, as many as you want. Don't worry about the size of this place. Honey will open up. वो अपना दिल ही नहीं खोलते हैं, वो बड़ा हॉल भी खोल देंगे. More importantly, लोग कहते हैं कि दिल में जगह होनी चाहिए, लेकिन I think दिल में eventually दिल की जगह में बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है, तो ये हॉल खोल देंगे दिल से ज़्यादा. So bring back as many audience members as you can. And ये इतने ज़बरदस्त singers जो यहाँ पर हैं, please keep coming back, and the quality will keep increasing, as will the audience member. And pretty soon, honey, we're going to be in there. All right. Thank you very much, everybody. That concludes the first round. We're going to